Bismillah, in this lesson, we're gonna explain how to add or subtract algebraic fraction. If we have two algebraic fraction and we need to write them as a single fraction, what should we do? First step, multiply the denominator. Multiply the denominator. So x plus 2 times 2x minus 5. Then start from 3, then multiply 3 by 2x minus 5. 3 times 2x minus 5. Minus 4 multiply x plus 2. 4 times x plus 2. All what we need after that, simplify the numerator. 3 times 2x equals 6x. 3 times negative 5. Okay. Negative 4 times x. Negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 2. Negative 8. Over same denominator. You don't need to multiply the denominator. Now simplify, combine the like terms. 6x minus 4x. 2x. Negative 15 and negative 8. Negative 23 over same denominator. You don't need to multiply the numerator. That's it. So we wrote the two fraction as a single fraction. We can apply that for number 2. So if you need single fraction in simplest form, multiply the denominator, so x times x plus 1. Then cross multiply to get the numerator, 2 times x minus 1. 2 times x plus 1, sorry. Minus 2 times x minus 2 times x. Then same denominator and simplify the numerator. 2 times x equal to x. 2 times 1 equals 2 minus 2x. 2x and negative 2x cancelled. So we have 2 over x into x plus 1. So this as a single fraction. Look for number 3. Number 3 is different. Write as a single fraction. So how to make common denominator to write as a single fraction? We can rewrite. 1 can be written as 1 over 1 minus 2 over b minus 3 over t. To add or subtract, we should have same denominator. How we can get same denominator? Look, we have 1 b t. So the LCD is the lowest common denominator for all of them, bt. So you can multiply 1 by bt and multiply numerator as well by bt. Then second fraction, we need more t. So multiply the numerator and denominator by t. So multiply by t, multiply by t. For the last fraction, multiply by b, multiply b. Multiply denominator by b, then multiply numerator as well by b. Now we have same denominator. So we can write the denominator bt. What about the numerator? bt minus 2t minus 3b. Okay? Then we have a single fraction. Number 4, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So to write as a single fraction, you can rewrite this to fraction as 3 over 1 minus t plus 2 over t minus 1. If you have two fractions, you can use multiply the denominator and cross multiply to get the numerator. So 1 times t minus 1 equal t minus 1. Then cross multiply 3 times t minus 1. So 3 bracket t minus 1 minus 1 minus t plus 2 times 1. T plus times 1 is so the same. So minus bracket, you should write the bracket, t plus 2 times 1. Now you can simplify the numerator. 3 times t, 3t, 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Then you can consider this negative 1. This negative, you can consider this negative as negative 1. So negative 1 times t, negative t. Take care, you cannot write negative t plus 2, because negative times positive will be negative. So negative 2 over t minus 1. Now combine the like terms for the numerator. 3t minus t, 2t. Negative 3 minus 2, so negative 5 over t minus 1. Number 5, can you solve, Afifa? What is the first step? Multiply the denominator. So x into 1 minus 2x. Then cross multiply to find the numerator. Yes, you should write them in brackets. So 1 minus x, because 1 minus x times 1 minus 2x. You should write them in bracket. 1 minus x times 1 minus 2x. Then expand later. Minus, because we have minus, 2 plus x times x. Also, you should write them in bracket. Or you can write x times 2 plus x. Okay? Now x, 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times negative 2x, negative 2x. Negative x times 1, so negative x. Negative x times negative 2x equal positive 2x squared. Now negative x times 2, negative 2x. Negative x times x, so negative x squared, over same denominator, 1 minus 2x into x. Now for the numerator, combine the like terms, so we have 1, negative 2x and negative x, negative 3x. Negative 3x minus 2x, so negative 5x. 2x squared minus 1 minus x squared, so x squared. Over x into 1 minus 2x. This is the final answer. You don't need to multiply the denominator. Number 6. 2 minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. So we can rewrite as 2 over 1 minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Multiply the denominator. 1 times x plus 1, so x plus 1. Then cross multiply, so 2 bracket x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 into 1. So it's better to put them in bracket before simplifying. Now 2 times x equals 2x. 2 times 1 equals 2. This negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x, so negative 2x. And negative 1 times negative 1 equal positive 1. Over same denominator, which is x plus 1. So the last step, 2x minus 2x, 0. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so 3 over x plus 1. So this is the final answer. Number 7. Solve the equation 1 over x plus 1 plus 9 over x plus 9 equals 1. So make single fraction first from these two fractions, then equate by 1. So we have Okay, multiply the denominator, so x plus 1 into x plus 9, and cross multiply to find the numerator. 1 times x plus 9 plus 9 times x plus 1. Simplify first. 1 times x and 1 times 9, so x plus 9. 9 times x and 9 times 1, so 9x plus 9, over same denominator. We can multiply the denominator in this case because we need to solve the equation. So x times x, x squared, x times 9, 9x. 1 times x and 1 times 9, so 1x and 9. So if we simplify the numerator, combine the like terms, so we have 10x plus 18 over x squared plus 10x plus 9. Now equate them by 1. 1 can be written as 1 over 1, then cross multiply. So this means 10x plus 18 equals x squared plus 10x plus 9. 10x and 18 go to the other side, so we have x squared. 10x cancelled out, so 18 go to the other side by negative, or we can transpose 9 to the other side, so x squared equal 9. X squared equal 9. So by take the square root, so x equal positive or negative 3. Number 8 is the last one, and this tricky one. Elisha walks a distance 9 kilometers of a speed x kilometers per hour. She then runs a distance of 5 kilometers at a speed 2x plus 1 kilometers per hour. The total time Elisha takes is 2.5 hours. Shows that the time can be written as 10x squared minus 41x minus 18. Okay, so we know that the relation between speed, distance, and time. So the speed equal distance over time, and the time equal distance over speed. So the time for the 9 kilometers, the time for the first 9 kilometers equal the distance, which is 9, over the speed, which is x. By the same way, the time for the next 5 kilometers is the distance, which is 5, over the speed, which is 2x plus 1. The total time 2.5. So this equal 2.5. To write this as equation, as a quadratic equation, we can make single fraction. So multiply the denominator, so x times 2x plus 1. Then cross multiply to find the numerator. So 9 into 2x plus 1 plus 5 into x equals, expand, so 9 times 2x and 9 times 1, 18x plus 9. 5 times x equals 5x, over x times 2x equal 2x squared. Now we need to expand the denominator because we'll solve equation, plus x. So we can simplify more. So 18 plus 5, 23x plus 9 over 2x squared plus x. This equal 2.5. 2.5 can be written as 5 over 2. 2.5 is 2.5, which can be written 5 over 2. But we write a fraction because we need to cross multiply. Now cross multiply. So 2 times 23x plus 9 equals 5 into 2x squared plus x. Now expand 2 times 23, so 46x. 2 times 9 equals 18. 5 times 2x, 10x squared. 5 times x, 5 times 2x squared equal 10x squared. 5 times x equal 5x. Now put them all in one side. So you can transpose 46x and 18 to the other side by negative sign. So 10x squared, 5 minus 46, so minus 41x. Now 18 to the other side, so negative 18, this equals 0. And we prove that we can write this equation as a quadratic equation like that.